Hello dear children, welcome to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated at Kolabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video I have already explained the poem Clouds and their exercises. So dear student, today's video one more time I am going to explain exercises of this poem. So for that you all take out your new Chance English Reader book and open page number 17. So dear student, on page number 17 there is exercises of this poem. So before starting the exercises, I'm going to again revise this poem. So you all open page number 16 and one more time we're going to read this poem. So student, you have to repeat this poem. Okay. So there is the title of this poem is Clouds. Title of this poem is Clouds. And student, tell me what's the spelling of clouds. So the spelling of clouds is CLOUDS, clouds. Okay, and let's start the poem. So there is a poem. First line is white sheep, white sheep, white sheep, white sheep on a blue hill, on a blue hill. White sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, when the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind stops, you all stand still. Next line is when the wind blows, when the wind blows, you walk away slow. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where do you go? Dear student, there is a poem, white sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where do you go? So this is the poem that we have learned. Student, you have to learn and write this poem in your notebook. Okay student? So let's move to the exercises. We're going to do the exercises, that is exercise A. So student, what will we do in exercise A? So we have to write T for true or F for false. So this first statement is the white sheep are in a shape. So student, tell me this is true or false. In this exercises we have to write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. It means which statement is correct. So for that we have to write T on the blanks, and which statements are false, it means wrong. So for that we have to write F. F means false. Okay. So there is a first stage, the white sheep are in a shape. So the white sheep are in a shape. So tell me it is true or false. So student, we have learned the poem. We have already done in this poem that white sheep are in the clouds, not in shape. So it is a false statement. So we have to write here false. F. Okay. For the false we have to write here F. Second is the white sheep stands still when the wind stops. So yes, it is true. So for that we have to write here T. Now the third is the white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. Student, tell me this is true or false. So it is true, because the white sheep walks slowly when the wind blows. Okay student. Now the fourth sentence is the sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. Student, here is the sentence, the sun makes the white sheep walk away slowly. So it is wrong, because the wind make the white sheep walk away slowly. The wind makes the white sheep walk away slowly, and here is the word sun. So it is false, because the wind makes the white sheep walk away slowly, and here is the given word is sun. So we have to write here F. Okay. So like this we have to complete this exercise A. Now after the exercise A, there is a next exercise is exercise B. In exercise B, read aloud with your teacher. So student, here is the vowel sound of A, E, I, O, U. As we all know that there are total 26 letters in alphabets, and 5s are vowels and 21s are consonant. So student, here are the word of vowel sound. So there is a first sound is A, vowel sound A. So let's read aloud with your teacher. So you have to read this given words with me. Okay student. So first is CAT cat, HAT hat, MAT mat and RAT red. These are the words of vowel sound A. Okay. So CAT cat, HAT hat, MAT mat, RAT red. Now the next vowel sound of E, so that is BED bed, HEN hand, PEN pen, WEB web. BED bed, HEN hand, PEN pen, WEB web. After that the next vowel sound is I. So the words are FIN fin, LID lid, LIP lip, SIP sip. Okay. Now the next vowel sound is O. So words are COT cot, DOT dot, FOX fox, HOT hot. And after that next vowel sound is U. So the words are CUP cup, CUB cup, NUT nut, SUN sun. So like this you have to read these given words. Okay student, let's one more time we going to read this. So first is CAT cat, HAT hat, MAT mat, RAT red. Next is BED bed, HEN hand, PEN pen, WEB web. After that FIN fin, LID lead, LIP leap, SIP sip, COT cot, DOT dot, FOX fox, HOT hot. Next CUP cup, CUB cup, NUT nut, SUN sun. So like this you have to read this given words. Now student, you have to write these given exercises in your notebook. So for that you all take out your notebooks and mention date of today, and let's start the writing of these exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student. So dear student, first of all you have to write the poem, and after that you have to do the exercise, that is exercise A. So first of all you have to mention exercise A, that is write T for true and F for false. So first is the white shape are in a shape, so it is true or false. So as we all know that it is false, so we have to write F in front of this sentence, okay, on the given blanks. Now the next sentence is the white shape stands still, the white shape stands still when the wind stops. So tell me it is true or false. So it is true. So for the true statement we have to write here T. Okay. Now the next third is the white shape walks slowly when the wind blows. The white shape walks slowly when the wind blows. So student, tell me it is true or false. So it is true. So for the true statement we have to write T on the given blanks. Now the next is number 4. The sun makes the white shape walk away slowly. The sun makes the white shape walk away slowly. So student, it is false. So for the false statement we have to write F on the given blanks. So like this we have to complete this exercise A in notebook. So dear student, your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay. So you have to recheck this exercise. So first of all you have to write heading, and after that you have to write T for true and F for false. You have to mention the given heading, and after that you have to write first is that is the white shape are in a shape, so it is false, so you have to write F. Second is the white shape stands still when the wind stops, so yes, it is true, so for that you have to write T here. Now the third is the white shape walk slowly when the wind blows, so yes, it is true, so you have to write here T. Now the next number 4th is the sun makes the white shape walk away slowly. So student, yes, it is false, so we have to write here F. Now the next we have to write the exercise C, that is what do you think are white shape? Take the correct words. So student, here are some words, so you have to take the correct one, that is what do you think are white shape. So here are examples: sky, clouds and star. So student, in the poem we have learned that the white shape are in a clouds. So we have to take the given option second, that is clouds. Tell me what the spelling of clouds. So the spelling of clouds is CLOUDS, clouds. Okay. So like this you have to write this exercise A and C in your notebook. Dear student, I hope you all understood that how could you learn and write these exercises and poem in your notebook with a good handwriting. So dear student, your homework is you have to write these exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting and also learn the poem with the spelling, and you have to do one more thing, that you have to draw the pictures of clouds. You have to make pictures of clouds, and after that you have to write this beautiful poem in your notebook. So student, that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.